Hey, it's your boy Joey. Sad times. I started a video last week. Mikey's dead. I'm gonna roll into that. And then I'm gonna cut to the end. I'm not gonna do much editing, just so you know, because I don't want to relive all that. But yeah, here's that sad footage. Hey, it's your boy Joey. It's a sad day. That box behind me. That's Mikey. He's no longer alive. Kind of hard video to make. He went missing last week, Thursday or Friday. We were in the camper sleeping. I think it was last week. I don't know. My time is messed up. And not being able to breathe and freaking out and everything doesn't help. But it was snowing and we were sleeping together. And he left the camper because he's got the cat door and he likes to greet Dad because he knows when Dad gets home. And I sleep weird hours because I work at night. I didn't think anything about it because he could just get in. But he didn't come home that night, which was weird because he always comes home at night for food. And Sunday, there were paw prints. Like, it stopped snowing finally and I saw paw prints, and I swear, because I was really tired because I couldn't breathe good still. And it's my normal. No, it wasn't as the morning. I don't know what time it was, but I think it was Sunday morning. I heard him meow. He's got a very distinctive meow, as you all know. And I didn't think much about it because he can usually just let himself in. He'll meow at the door because he's lazy and doesn't like doing it because it was awkward. But then he didn't come in, and I looked outside and I saw the paw prints. They came from over here into the garage, which is normal, out to the door, and then around the house to the camper. You could tell he was walking on the steps, maybe somewhere around there. And then he walked into the neighbor's backyard, the yard behind us. It was all very weird, but I'll get into the rest of it later. But this is the last time you'll see Mikey in cat form. And I'll talk about why you won't actually see him after I get him dropped off at the crematorium. The pet cemetery, cremate him. Then I'll have him and a mom in a little box. And they'll stay with me. And we'll talk about that later. So I'm gonna get this done. I'm sad. Alright, we're back. So this is about a week later. So when he went missing, it was snowing. It was the week I couldn't really breathe. I skipped work, stayed home because I was like, it's gonna be 17 degrees out. I don't want to be risking my lungs in that kind of crap. So Mikey was sleeping with me in there. He barely left my side until that day. He's got the cat door there, which he can go in and out freely. And like, he got up sometime when I was sleeping. I noticed. I didn't mind because he'd go eat food or whatever. Or he'd go inside to talk to Dad because he knows when Dad gets home in the morning or after work. But I don't worry because he can go back inside. Like, it's not a big deal. But he wasn't in the house. He wasn't in the camper that night. I didn't see him. Didn't come home for food like he usually does. The next day, or 2 days later, I don't remember. Third shift life, not being able to breathe, a lot of sleeping. Finally, the snow stops. There's a trail going from the front of the house into the garages, around, up to the camper, and I swear I heard a meow, but I didn't think anything about it because he got the cat door. Never does that unless I accidentally lock it, but there's nothing in the way. And then little path marks out there. Well, thinking that was him telling me something bad happened to him because somebody had to have taken him. He was a mile away, and for example, Ada Drive is up there. He used to cross that to go to the woods. He doesn't do that anymore because he's getting old, he's gotten a lot busier. He would never go all the way down that way to Cascade Road, and he would not go a mile. He barely went across the street these days. 13 years old almost. Just wasn't his thing anymore. So somebody had to have taken him and hurt him and then dumped him on the side of the road there. Because there's no way he would have gone that far. Too scared of cars. I could be carrying him and a big truck would go across Ada Drive and he would freak out, jump out of my arms, and run away. So, like, I'm not so sad he's dead. I got 5 years that I didn't think I would get. His mom got cancer really bad when she was about 8 years old. He had feline AIDS or something, I forget. Something that if he gets sick, he'll get really sick. And his liver was going bad. So, like, I was surprised he was still alive anyways, but the fact that he was still so full of life, still eating, still happy, still running around, and somebody took him and did that to him like that's got me. But anyways, let's go in the camper. We got him cremated just like his mom. Dad's gonna build me a little box. Let's show you what we got. See, this place did a nice little thing. I'll find all of Pesmer's stuff in my old bedroom. Hold on a minute. I gotta do some cleaning. Alright, we're back. So we got a little bag. A little fake rose. Don't know why for that. We got his ashes. It was semi-private, so I don't know. His mom, that's a bigger tin with more ashes, so I don't know. I figure it's mostly Mikey. Doesn't really matter. Card. Got some of his fur just like we did with his mom. And this little paw print, which makes me extra sad. But I didn't look at this card yet. Or whatever's in this. Come on. Stupid paperclip. Certificate, Mikey. Blah, blah, blah. Sad shit. Yeah. So, that's what we got. Very nice people. Oh, I forgot to say, I found Mikey through a Lost Pets on Facebook group. Lost Pets group. I knew right away when I saw the description and then I saw the picture. I'm not going to show the picture. It's not pretty. But yeah. Thankfully, someone posted that she found him. But she was on her way to work, so couldn't do anything. Somebody else scooped him up, brought him to the pet cemetery, so he was at least taken care of. And had I not found him, they would have treated him properly. Wonderful people. But anyways, it's making me kind of sad, so I'm gonna peace out, smash this video together, get it online, possibly start working on the Dune video, but we'll see. Gonna miss Mikey. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. We're gonna miss you, Mikey. Oh, I forgot. Dad is going to make me a display case thing for all the stuff. Mikey and his mom, Pesmer. Pesmer passed away before I started doing the YouTube stuff. So, Yeah. And I'm breathing hard not because I'm sad, because I didn't take allergy meds yet, and it's cold out. You already know. But anyways, long live Mikey. We're gonna work on some merch for him, a lot of it, and we're gonna put some money towards like this pet cemetery and some other animal things, just because I love animals, especially cats. Anyways, peace out.